Today we will learn about human skeletal system. Any hard structure that is present outside or inside of our body constitute skeletal system. It is of two types. Number one, exoskeleton, that is present externally, example, our hairs, our nails. Second type, that is endoskeleton. It is present inside of our body. Endoskeleton comprises of two parts. Number one, axial skeleton, and number two, that is appendicular skeleton. What do you know about axial skeleton? Axial skeleton is present in median longitudinal axis of our body from top to bottom, median longitudinal line. So our axial skeleton is consist of four parts. Number one, that is skull. Skull, the entire part that is present just above our neck region is called our skull. We also can say that the part that is present just upon our upper end of our vertebral column is called our skull. Skull is made up of four parts. Number one, cranium. Cranium is the uppermost part of our skull. That is cranium. It encloses our brain. So it is very important. Cranium is made up of 8 different type of bones. So there are 8 bones in our cranium. Number 2 part, that is ear ossicles. Dear students, we have 2 ears and each of our ear is consist of 3 parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. And there are 3 bones in our middle ear. We have 2 ears, so total bones are 6. The 3 bones are malleus, incus and stapes. The total bones are 6 in our middle ear. Do you know which bone is the smallest bone in our body? That is ear ossicle stapes. Number 3, third part, that is bones of face. Our face is made up of 14 bones. So the total bones in our face are 14. Number 4, that is hyoid. It is also called tongue bone. It is present just beneath of our tongue. It provides support so that the muscles of our tongue can attach. It is 1 in number. So the total bone in our skull 8, 6, 14, 28 and 29. The total bone in our skull are 29. The second part of our exoskeleton is vertebral column. It is also called our backbone. It is present in middle dorsal line of our neck and of our trunk region. It starts from the top of our neck to the end of our trunk. There are 33 bones in our vertebral column. These bones are also called our vertebrae. we can group these 33 bones into 5 groups. Number 1, cervical vertebrae. Number 2, thoracic vertebrae. Number 3, lumbar vertebrae. Number 4, sacral vertebrae. And number 5, coccyx vertebrae. These coccyx vertebrae are also called caudal vertebrae. So there are 7 bones in our cervical region, 12 bones or vertebrae in our thoracic region. In our lumbar region, there are 5 vertebrae. In sacral region, there are 5 vertebrae, but these 5 vertebrae have fused to form only one bone. So there is only one bone. Similarly, coccyx vertebrae are 4 in number. They also have fused to form only one bone. Now add these bones 7, 12, 19, 24, 25 and 26. So the total vertebrae in our vertical column are 26. The third part of our axial skeleton is our sternum. Sternum, it is a flat bone. It is present just middle of our front of our chest. This is sternum. This is 1 in number. So the sternum is 1 in number. Fourth part of our axial skeleton is our ribs. Students, there are 12 pair of ribs in our body. They form the lateral part of our thoracic cage. Out of 12 pairs, 10 pairs of ribs are attached dorsally to our vertical column and ventrally to our sternum. But 2 pairs of ribs are not attached to our sternum. These are also called floating ribs. These are 12 pairs. So total ribs in our body are 24. Total bones are 24. Now we add these bones. The number will come 80. So our axial skeleton is made up of 80 different type of bones. Let us move on to appendicular skeleton. What do you know about appendicular skeleton, students? The bones which are attached laterally to our axial skeleton are constitute the appendicular skeleton. It consists of 2 main parts. Number 1, girdles. There are 2 types of girdle in our body. Number 1, that is pectoral girdle. It is also called our shoulder girdle. The humerus of our arm is attached to our axial skeleton through this girdle. It is made up of 2 parts. Number 1, that is clavicle. This is our clavicle. This is called collarbone. And number 2, that is scapula. It is also called shoulder blade. So there are 2 bones in each of our pectoral girdle. Number 1, that is clavicle. And number 2, that is scapula. There are 2 pectoral girdles. So total number of bones are 2 clavicles and 2 scapula. So total number is in pectoral girdle 4. Our pectoral girdle forms the glenoid cavity into which the head of humerus is articulated. Second girdle, that is pelvic girdle, our femur of our leg is attached to our axial skeleton through this girdle. This is pelvic girdle. It consists of three main bones: ilium, ischium and pubis. But students, these three bones have fused to form only one bone, that is our hip bone. So we have one hip bone on left side and one hip bone on right side. So there are two bones in our pelvic girdle. Total number of bones in pelvic girdle are 2. Our pelvic girdle forms the acetabulum cavity into which the head of our femur is articulated. The second part of our appendicular skeleton is our limbs. We have two pairs of limbs. The forelimb, our arm, and the hind limb, our legs. So it consists of two pair of limbs. One, that is forelimb or our arm. Our arm is made up of 30 different type of bones. Let us count these bones. 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna. Here 8 type of bones, 8 bones are present. These are carpals. Here 5 bones. Here in our palm region there are 5 bones called metacarpals, and here 14 phalanges, 2 in our thumb and 3 in each of our digit. So the total bones in our each arm are 30. We have 2 arms, so 30 plus 30, total bones are 60. So our forearm is made up of 60 bones. Let us move on to our hind limb. We also called leg. Our leg, each of our leg is made up of 30 bones. 1 femur, 1 tibia, 1 fibula. Here in ankle region there are 7 bones called dorsals. Here 5 metatarsals and here 14 phalanges. 1 patella, so 1 femur, 1 tibia, 1 fibula, 1 patella, 7 tarsals, 5 metatarsals and 14 phalanges. 2 in our thumb and 3 phalanges in each of our digit. So there are 30 bones in our each leg. We have 2 legs, so total bones are 60 in our hind limb. 60 plus 60, so total bone in our limbs are 120. Here 4 bones in our girdle. Students, do you know which bone is the largest bone in our body? Yes, that is our femur. Femur is the largest bone of our body. Let us count each. Add these bones. 4 and 2. This number is 6. So 120 plus 6. So total bones in our appendicular skeleton are 126. If we add 80 in axial skeleton and 126 in our appendicular skeleton, total bones in our endoskeleton are 206. Thank you. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it and comment for it. Thank you so much.